Namaskar दोस्तों, my name is Naren and you are watching Polito Tech. I hope guys you are doing very well. And today's video I am going to tell you about the Fortune Mart franchisee. You guys all know about the name of Fortune. Adani Wills Company, Mr. Adani, he is the third richest man in the world, and I bet you there is some product, some grocery product or something of Adani company in your house. So it's a very well known company, it's a very well known established company. So if you want to open a franchisee chain in supermarket, if you're looking for a franchisee in supermarket chain, you have to think about the Fortune Mart franchise. It's a very great franchisee opportunity for you. Before starting the topic, I want to say if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and you can like the video if you really loved it. And if you have any question, you can comment on this video regarding franchisee, regarding me, regarding the channel, the video content, anything. If you have any questions, then I love to hear that. So back to the topic, no time waste, let's start. So if you talk about this franchisee, it's a great franchisee. Why I'm saying that? The customer support, the franchisee support this company giving to you, it's awesome. The one major point I want to highlight this earlier in this video, the company, the franchisee, this Fortune, this Adani Will company give you the rent of a supermarket, complete rent, no if, no that, but kuch nahi, nothing. The company will give 100% of the rent of a supermarket. So it's a very awesome thing, I say. So this thing, this support I want to highlight is earlier in this video. So I think it's a very great initiative by the company. Let's talk about the requirement which company required from you. The company needs a basic documentation of the finance and all thing, GST, shop tax, FSA certificate, space, 1000 square feet of a space. If you need any kind of a support about the documentation, registration, you can mail us. We will love to help you on this. So let's talk about the investment. So investment here the company wants from you, it's about 10 to 12 lakhs. 10 to 12, 15 is the maximum amount of the money the company needs from you, and in which you can get 12 lakh of setup cost. There is no franchisee fees and there is no royalty fees. So it's a very good opportunity for opening a franchise in supermarket. So now talk about the profit margin. You want to hear about any business, this is the main important point anyone want to hear. It's a profit margin. So now talk about the profit margin of this business. If you sell the grocery product like their rice, their oil, you can earn up to 10 to 12% of the gross margin. And secondly, if you sell the bakery products of the Fortune, you can earn up to 50 to 70% of the gross margin. Yes, the Fortune is making two kind of the products, the grocery and the bakery products. According to their popularity, you can earn the profit margin. Thing I want to tell you, this is the gross margin, not the net profit margin. So net profit margin is equal to the gross margin profit minus your expense. So you can calculate on that, but don't worry, this is a very big name. If you open this franchisee, you can earn up to 1 to 2 lakhs in the month easily, I must say easily. Let's talk about the support you get from the Fortune company. One thing I told you earlier, the company will give you the full-fledged 100% rent of a supermarket, and one thing more, 1% salary completely given by the Fortune Adani. So it's a very awesome thing, I must say. The company will give you the combo and the discount offer which you can apply on your product set. Promotional activity, company will help on a dedicated company billing software given by the Fortune. It's also free, included in this franchisee fees. Integration with the Fortune app, it's a very good thing. One thing you can note it down, about 2.5 lakh of the bakery setup free for you, and the training about this bakery, all kind of thing, they are provided by the Fortune company. And another one, directly supply from the company in the discounted rate. It's also the beneficial for you, and the outlet, then the whole thing will designed by the company. You have to give only the investment, you have to give a call, you have to apply for this franchisee, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything. The kind of support company is providing to you, it's a very I must say a kind of awesome category. So now the question, where to apply, how to apply. So you can go to the Google, you can get the link of the official website in the description. You can click on that and you directly go to the adhaniwheels.com. It's the official website of the Adhani Fortune Mart, and in which you can go to the contact section and you have to apply from there. This is a very good opportunity for you guys if you want to open a retail or franchisee chain in the supermarket with this kind of a brand and this kind of a support the company is providing to you. It's a very good, I must say, it's a very good knowledge. It's a kind of excellent. So if you want this franchisee, you can mail us bollywoodtech@gmail. So that's the video from my side about the franchisee of Fortune Mart. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, then comment on the comment section, and you can mail if you have any specific question, if you have any specific inquiry about this franchisee or anything. So my name is Naren and you are watching Bollywood Tech. Thanks.